guys, selamat datang di channel aku, Azmi Maulana Kreatif. Dan di video kali ini aku akan untuk bermain game Honkai Star Rail. Nah, di game itu ini aku baru main game ya. Soalnya Azmi di saat siang-siang itu siang-siang itu gua gabut-gabut yang mau apa ya, kayak bosan-bosan. Tapi ada yang Honkai Star Rail ini aku download. Tapi sebenarnya sih aku udah tahu namanya Honkai Star Rail itu, tapi kena efek. Tapi saat main dari gameplaynya, dari saat iklannya itu, tapi kok gameplaynya kayak apa ya? Kayak gameplay RGB. Apa? RGB. Apa? Begitulah namanya gitu, yang maksudnya. Ya, RPG. Ya, RPG. Gak tau lah. Yang tahu itu kakak gua, Mas Kavi doang. Ini gua baru mainnya itu ya. Pas gua main, gila. Ini game itu bagus tenan. Ternyata aslinya itu bagus cuy. Maksudnya keren gitu. Gua baru main aja itu, dan mohon maaf ya, saya gak bisa bantu bikin apapun buat kalian ya, mohon maaf ya. Oke, gak usah lama-lama, langsung kita mulai game ya. Gue cuman oke, kita masuk ke gameplaynya ya. Gaskun. Sorry agak banter ya. Ini gue pecahin aja biar suara itu biar bisa jelas ketika gue lagi main game, dan suaranya itu bisa jelas kalau kalian itu ingin dengar. Ya karena mikrofon gue yang masih beban. Waduh. Nah, sorry, agak lambat ya. Jadi kita menunggu aja, jangan masuk. Nah, ini ada baru gameplay. Ini baru gua main ya kemarin. Dan ini ya tampilannya ya, walaupun burik, soalnya aku setting rendah aja biar nggak berat. Dan penyimpanan gua masih normal. Oke, masih normal. Oke, kita masih ke sana. Dan by the way guys, ini ada karakternya itu. Baru tahu namanya. Udah tahu namanya itu ya. Ini kalau cewek mod 7 itu cantik cuy. Ya, astagfirullah. Oke. Sana. Kita periksa. Apa yang dia katakan?
Hey, get out of there! You'll shiver to death.
Kejam kali si March.
Holding your breath won't help.
I got this, March. Someone's got their head stuck in the sand, or the snow in this case. They just need a helping.
Ouch!
Aduh.
My fine fellow, was that really necessary? Is
Salju.
crawling around in the snow a crime these days? I mean, come on, surely it doesn't warrant a
Teman-teman,
spearing.
tidak perlu sampai sebegitulah. Oke, ulang. Teman-teman, tidak perlu sampai sebegitunya, kan? Memangnya merangkak di bawah tumpukan salju itu kejahatan ya? Sekarang ini perlu sampai ditusuk dengan tombak segala. Itu gua.
But then again, how can I blame you? I mean, a
Tapi
good
tidak
job,
bisa
God.
salahkan
It had to
kalian juga
happen.
sih.
You could even say I deserved
Kamu yang
it.
membuat kalian.
Besides, I made a gallant group of new
Jadi
friends as a
wajar
result.
terjadi hal seperti ini. Bisa dibilang aku pantas mendapatkannya. Selain itu, aku jadi bisa kenal sekelompok teman baru yang gagah berani.
Is Captain Gepard around? He's
Pada
an old buddy
Kapten
of mine.
Gepard di sini Dia teman lamaku.
Who?
Siapa? Katanya March.
Wait, you're not
Kalian
Silverman
bukan
guards?
Silverman.
Well, why didn't you say so?
Guard.
Turns out we're
Kenapa
on the
tidak
same side after
bilang
all.
dari awal? Ternyata kita berada di pihak yang sama.
Pleasure to meet you. The name's Sampo
Memang bertemu
Koski.
denganmu. Nama kamu? Sampo Koski. Siapa? Nama gua Azmi Kreatif. Mau kasih nama Azmi Kreatif.
Excellent, I'll remember the name. Never thought
Mantap.
I'd run into friends
Aku
from the
akan
same line of work out
mengingatnya.
here in this frozen wasteland.
Kusangka bisa bertemu
Business is
teman
bad these days, but
bisa
fear
bertemu teman
not, Sampo
dengan bidang
Koski isn't interested in
pekerjaan
hoarding.
sama
There's
sih.
more than enough treasure to
Gurunya
go around, so let's
ini.
get rich together.
Akhir-akhir ini bisnis sedang buruk, tapi jangan takut. Sampo Koski tidak tertarik dalam penimbunan. Ada banyak harta yang tersedia. Jadi kalau kita jadi kaya bersama-sama. Cuma baca aja ya biar kalian itu sudah tahu. Kalau nggak
Say,
mau
why don't we join
dengerin gua lagi
forces?
baca ya
I
sudah.
have reliable intel. The main strength of the
Oh, namanya
Silverman Guards
Sampo.
is being deployed to
Sampo.
the front line.
Sampo kan
This
dia
is a
nama
golden
apa ya?
opportunity.
Pembersihan rambut. Oke, kita baca dulu ya apa yang katakan dengan Sampo. Bagaimana kalau kita gabung bersama saja? Aku juga intel yang bisa diandalkan. Kekuatan utama Silverman Guard sedang dikerahkan ke garis depan. Ini kesempatan emas kita nih. Oke. Sebagai Asmi yang nggak tahu, aku yang pilih ke garis depan.
Come now, friends. I can understand the mistrust, but there's no need for the charade.
Duh. Mbak, mau kasih jawab aja agak bodoh ya. Soalnya nggak tahu jawabannya, ini kayak ujian atau apa sih? Ayolah teman-teman. Aku bisa mengerti, kalian tidak percaya padaku. Tapi ya tidak perlu pura-pura bodoh.
Then again, I know the rules. Vigilance is the
Aku
name of the
tahu
game in our
aturannya.
profession. It's my fault for
Waspadaan
letting my enthusiasm and
adalah
sincerity get the better of me.
terpenting dalam profesi kita. Salah satu sudah membiarkan antusiasme, dan ketulusanku menguasai diriku.
Anyway, a meeting like this has to have been written in the stars.
Bagaimanapun juga,
Ask me
pertemuan
anything
seperti
you
ini
like.
sudah
I won't skimp on the
Kalian bebas
details.
tanya
Still
apa
make it
saja.
snappy. You're never more than
Aku
10 feet
akan
from a Silverman
memberitahu
Guard.
semua detailnya. Tetap saja jangan bertele-tele. Silverman Guard bisa muncul kapan saja. Oh, oke. Aku lagi mikir dulu. Gimana juga pertemuan? Gua pilih apa ya? Gua kasih tanya aja lah.
Me? You guys scared me to death. There I was, looking for
Kalian
relics to
membuatku
sell.
takut
When all
setengah
of a sudden
mati.
you came
Aku
stomping
sedang
over.
mencari
I thought the Silverman
relik
Guards
di
were paying me a
sana
visit.
untuk menjual. Lalu kalian tiba-tiba datang dengan suara nyaring. Aku pikir Silverman Guard yang menghampiriku.
Seriously
Oh.
though? Try
Serius
treading
deh.
a little lighter next time, huh?
Lain
If you run into the
kali
guards,
jalannya
they won't
pelan-pelan
hide in the
ya.
snowdrift, and you'll be in a cell
Lain
before
kali
you know it.
jalan-jalan pelan-pelan ya. Kalau kalian bertemu dengan para guard, mereka tidak akan bersembunyi di tumpukan salju. Dan kalian sudah berada di dalam sel sebelum kalian menyadari. Aku masih kurang ngerti, mohon maaf nih.
Settlement?
Gimana?
What a literary
Sungguh
turn
kata
of
yang
phrase.
menarik.
Why, there's only one place in this
Kenapa?
world where the living still
Cuma
reside. Our beloved
ada satu tempat di
Bellabog.
planet
The
ini
further
yang
away you
masih
get, the
ada
dicier
di
things
sisi
become.
kehidupan. Lobong. Kita tercinta. Semakin jauh aku pergi, semakin rumit permasalahannya.
The city of preservation, the
Kota
towering citadel,
pelestarian.
humanity's last bastion against the
Benteng
eternal
yang-
freeze. It may sound a bit over
Benteng
the
ya,
top,
benteng.
but those
Bukan banteng
names are
merah.
grounded in
Astagfirullah.
truth. The only place humans can eke out an existence
Yang
is
menjulang.
behind those
Benteng
impregnable
terakhir,
walls.
umat manusia melawan kebekuan abadi. Mungkin terdengar sedikit berlebihan, tapi nama-nama itu didasarkan pada kebenaran satu-satunya. Tempat manusia bisa bertahan hidup pada di balik tembok yang tak tertembus itu. Oh,
You really don't know?
kamu
The
benar-benar tidak tahu.
Silvermane guards are
Silvermane.
Belobog soldiers, enforcers, and police.
Silvermane adalah.
Let's just say they're
Oh, ya,
not the most
bentar.
flexible of
Oke,
people.
ulang.
And they
Kamu
like paying
benar-benar
visits
tidak
to
tahu.
folks in our line of work.
Silvermane Guard adalah tentara penegak hukum dan polisi Belobog. Mereka bukan orang-orang yang paling fleksibel dan mereka suka mengunjungi orang-orang di bidang pekerjaan kita. Oh, sedikit-sedikit tahu aja ya.
Seems
5%.
like you guys really are new to the business.
Seperti kalian benar-benar
To be young
pemula
and
dalam
naive
bisnis
again.
ini,
How about this? As
muda dan
a
naif
senior
pula.
in the field, which I'm
Bagaimana
sure you
kalau
don't mind
begini
me
saja?
saying, I'll give you some free guidance.
Bagaimanapun juga, aku senior di bidang ini. Aku akan berikan kalian beberapa panduan gratis.
There are
Basic
ways of
gratis.
doing things in this profession,
Ada
and
banyak
you better
cara
get
untuk
familiar with
melakukan
them.
sesuatu
Moving in the
dalam
shadows,
profesi
finding the
ini,
goods,
dan
pricing your
sebaiknya
stock,
kamu membiasakan
hiding from the
diri dengannya.
guards. There's an
Bergerak
art
dalam
to all of it.
bayang-bayang, mencari barang, menentukan harga stok, tersembunyi dari para guard. Semuanya ada seninya.
No need. Why don't you just take us to the city? We don't
Hmm,
really
tidak
know the
perlu.
way.
Bagaimana kalau kamu bawa kami ke kota saya? Ke kota saja. Kami tidak tahu jalannya.
The city? Already?
Kita
They
sudah
haven't even
mau
started
ke
trading
sana.
yet. Well,
Aku
showing you the
bahkan
way is
belum
easy enough,
mulai
Missy, but
transaksi
it would cost.
mudah saja untuk menunjukkan jalannya padamu. Tapi ada harganya.
But it would be my
Tapi
pleasure.
Akan
Kindness
kulakukan
is
dengan
Sampo
senang
Koski's middle
hati.
name.
Sebaiknya
Follow me, friends,
identik
and,
dengan
keep
Sampo
quiet.
Koski.
We don't want to be spotted by
Ikuti
the
aku,
guards.
teman-teman, dan jangan berisik ya. Jangan sampai kita terlihat oleh para guard. Oke, Sampo. Sampo.
So why were you hiding from the Silvermane guards?
Ya, bagi kita dapat unlock-nya
Yeah, we're just storing a few
Oh, kita
relics
ikutin,
away
guys.
from prying eyes. Nothing
sama
serious.
Sampo.
If it weren't for the uncompromising nature of our civil service, there'd be no need
Jadi
for
kita
secrecy.
mengikuti sama Sampo, guys.
So where
Bah
about you
Sampo
guys from
yang
anyway?
kalian
I
kira.
don't mean to pry or
Ya,
anything.
apa
I just
kalian
care
pikirkan?
about my...
Oh,
Rule number 7, never leave a footprint. I have my own special technique called invisible snow walking. Helps me throw off pursuers in no time.
aku masih kurang ngerti, guys. Saya nggak bisa baca.
Who are they?
Apa nih? Siapa mereka?
You remember the Silvermane
Ada
guards I
tentara.
mentioned?
Menggabung.
That's them.
Maksudnya prajurit.
Help me, old friends! I don't want to be caught!
Kok kamu jadi pengecut? Kamu kan laki-laki.
It's the suspect and his accomplices. Arrest them!
Wih, dia katakan tentara itu harus hitam. Enggak. Maksudnya itu tersangka dan kaki tangannya. Tangkap mereka. Oke, kita lawan tentara.
It's now or never.
Never heard of it.
Oke, skill ini
Over to you, dear friend.
set masih muda
Hey, where do you think you're scared yet?
dan juga sama cewek.
Who's the lucky
Cewek
one today?
cantik. Enggak. Kita kasih jurus apa? Jurus ini. Oke, gua kasih. Gua berikan ke gua.
Right there while I give you a present.
Nice.
Let's go.
Let's go. Woo.
Try that
Ayo.
again.
Lumayan kuat ya. Aduh.
Step aside. I have
Balas. Set. Iya. Satu mati. Set. Terus.
My
Okay.
turn.
Ulti.
By the stars.
Boleh nggak ya? Oke.
All
Kita
profound
coba.
secrets of the stars.
Oke.
Give these trailblazers your blessing.
Set. Widih. Gitu doang. Gitu doang.
With me out here, how can we lose?
Ada jurus, coba cuma jurus. Kita berikan aja. Cuma berikan apapun lah. Gak ada lah. Set. Gua baru sadar. Apa ya? Apa kena tentara itu? Waduh. Ada 2 ulti. Oh. Aduh. Set. Ada 2 ulti. Oke, kita pilih yang mana ya? Kita pilih yang Mars dulu.
Try hard sometimes.
Langsung.
Check out this awesome move.
Iya. Set. Ya lumayan aja. Bagaimana kalau gua? Bagus.
Rules are made to be broken.
Ide. Kedua aja deh. Satu mati. Apa lah? Oh.
The truth of
Ulti
life
dulu
and
nggak
death,
sih?
revealed in an
Ulti
instant.
dulu
This
lah.
sanctuary is but a vision.
Kasih gaya dulu. Set. Sorok mati. Ini cewek kenapa kok cuma satu aja? Beda, ini aja. Set. Udah deh. Udah gua mulu. Oke. Skill push.
Clemency, never heard of
Lagi.
it.
Cus. Nah, pertempuran berakhir. Loh. Oh, kukira apa? Kukira nge-lag. Wait, what? Siapa nih, cuy? Oh, kita lawan. Cuy, itu kah?
I,
Oh, no,
Gerard
boss.
Lansdowne, captain
Yo.
of the Silvermane Guards, order you
Wah.
to relinquish futile
berikan-
resistance.
Yo, ya bener aja lo.
Move carefully.
That Sampo cheated us all. Wait till I get my hands on him.
Damage
Truth of
sedikit.
life and death, revealed in an instant.
Relinquish your resistance.
Harusnya marknya itu harus diberikan dong.
Forget Sampo. Wait until I get my hands on
No. Ya bener aja. Malah jadi Hayden jadi lemah. Oke. Kita berikan kepada
Stay
Hayden.
right there while I give you a present.
Oh, lawan bos itu Kibark. Namanya aneh banget loh.
Batter up.
Set.
Stay
Musuh lumayan.
focused. Take courage.
Kocak. Curang.
Step aside. I have no interest in
Rugi dong. Yang bener
A
aja.
guest with no manner.
Rugi dong. Waduh. Terus berikan
With
ke
me
gua
out
dong.
here, how can we lose?
Biar aman.
Let's make it quick.
Biar karakter punya gua itu lengkap.
You can't
Skill dong. Ayolah. No. Nah. Nice.
Rules
Menggunakan jurus fishball. Guys.
Our position
Damage
is
cuma
solid.
71 dong. Yo ya beneran. Buat kurang.
again.
Clemency, never heard of it.
Waduh, agak lama ya karakter gua.
Look out.
Mana karakternya keren.
You have the worst luck running into me.
Ini aja deh. Ini aja biar aman.
Stay right there while I give you a present. Gotta try hard
Oke.
sometimes.
Gas.
Check out this awesome move.
Saya 64. Siap. Gua kalah. Mohon maaf nih. Malu-maluin. Ayolah, janganlah. Jangan dikasih mati, tolong. Tolonglah. Tolong please. Please, cukup.
Step aside. I
Ya,
have no
cukup. Gini loh. Sumpah.
Everything is ordained by the stars.
Dikasih berikan kah?
All profound secrets
Apa
of the
kita kasih beri
stars.
dengan
Give these
tambahan?
trailblazers your blessing.
atau tidak? Oke. Kan ke
With me out
sabing.
here, how can we lose?
Nambah kuat.
Better up.
Oke.
It's too late to repent.
Kill. Set. Guys, kasih ulti.
The truth of
Nice.
life and death, revealed in an
Lurus
invisible
balasanku.
is but a vision.
Set. Saya 32. Oke, dikit lagi. Please. Jangan mati dong. Please, jangan.
Look out!
Anke Hajeng. Jangan. Oke, kita tambah lagi ya.
Right there, while I
Sorry
give you
yang
a present.
ke kanan itu, yang cewek itu gak perlu
Let's
diberikan
go.
guys. Sorry banget nih.
In the name of
Kasih silang dong. Cuk. No. Oh,
And the prime suspect? The one with the blue hair?
Apologies, Captain. We lost him during the pursuit. We can't find his footprints.
No matter. We have his accomplices. He'll be close by, plotting his next move.
As in, forever. I'm not trying to talk our way out of this, but we're not friends with that scoundrel. Did you see how fast he ditched us?
aduh. Saya guys. Gua mau cicas dulu.
We rescued him from the snow out of the kindness of our hearts. We had no idea he might be
Oke,
using us to get
kita
past
lanjutin
you.
lagi.
Are
Okay.
you really dumb enough to fall for his...
I'm a captain, not an adjudication panel. As a Belobog citizen, you have the right to defend yourself, but that can only take place under the scrutiny of the architects, not now. Take them away.
But we're not
Ngapo?
from Belobog.
Tuh. Kita kasih mau pertanyaan apa ya? Lihat saja pakaian kami. Apakah peralatan kami terlihat mirip dengan punya kalian? Ini mau kasih jawabannya, mau maaf nih, nggak tahu apaannya loh. Kita kasih tunjukkan aja ya.
Photos?
Ah,
Foto.
you're a genius. Great idea.
Yes, bisa, bener gua.
You've probably never seen what your
Tapi
planet looks like,
salah loh.
right? I took this one. Behold, Yarilo 6.
You mean to say that this white ball that's here, that's our home?
It is said that a long time ago, strange visitors from beyond the sky would visit us here.
Cuma kata-katanya ini
But that after the
katanya
eternal
dahulu
freeze, the
kalau
blizzards made passage
kunjung aneh di
impossible,
luar dalam sampai
and Belobog would cease
ini
to
panjang
witness
banget.
such arrivals.
Ah! Oke,
But these people are...
This decision is beyond us. If what they say is true, then only the Supreme Guardian may decide their fate.
Tunggu. By the way, karakter Samponya itu mana?
Our job is to present them before her. Nothing more. Outsiders, follow me. Belobog lies beyond this blizzard. Welcome to Belobog, the city of preservation.
Oh, ini coba gambar. Kotanya besar banget ya. Ini kayak planet M78 gak sih? Kayak planet Ultraman. Cuman di pikiran gue ya kayak dunia planet Ultraman M78 gak sih? Bener gak sih? Yang hijau? Yo. Sorry guys, agak lebay ya. Ya mirip-mirip aja ya di
feels like it got a bit
kotanya itu.
warmer.
That's because you're in Belobog, the last bastion of humanity.
Last bastion?
700 years ago, monsters from beyond the sky set the world ablaze. The land was turned to scorched earth. With raging in the midst of the conflict, the eternal freeze descended without warning. Suddenly, sweeping winds brought blizzards which buried the invading legion. Belobog was all that remained. The steadfast architects built this city. Under the protection of Klepoth, the preservation, Belobog remains forever warm in the face of unrelenting cold.
He's sure saying some weird stuff.
A marked change in tone. Sounds like he's quoting from a historical record.
Uh-huh. So why is he telling us all this?
You wanted to know.
Wah, kita berada di kota. Ada masjid. Ada masjid guys. Gua mau sholat dulu. Sholat dulu gak sih?
The guards will
Aduh,
notice if we stray too far off. We should stick close to Japart.
oh, gak boleh. Sana. Pasti ikutin dong. Iya ya. Ikutin. sorry guys. Soalnya ini bentukannya kayak masjid. Ya emang sih kayak masjid.
We're here.
Saya sampai.
This is Klepoth Fort,
Di sini
the heart of
adalah
Belobog and
Klepoth Fort,
headquarters of the architects.
jantung Belobog dan markas Archit.
The saviors of humanity.
Penyelamat umat manusia.
Long before the
Jauh sebelum
arrival of the eternal
datangnya
freeze,
kebeguan
the architects
abadi
named this fortress after Klepoth, Eon of Preservation. Under their direction, humanity has withstood external enemy attacks and held off. This fortress is also the residence of the Supreme Guardian.
The Supreme Guardian?
Segi masa depan ya.
The leader of Belobog, elected and appointed by
Gua
the
agak malas sih
architects.
kalau
The Supreme
ceritanya
Guardians have
itu
watched
lagi
over this city
ngomong-ngomong
for
apa.
generations, sheltering the
Tapi
people
ya
from
udahlah,
harm.
namanya juga game itu ada cerita. Pasti baca. Cuman males.
The current
Iya,
Guardian
tadi.
is Madame Cocolia Rand. Every major strategic decision is issued by
Nah,
her.
itulah guys.
Whoa, she sounds like a big deal.
I will now bring you to see Madame Cocolia. Please have your words at the ready. Her time is precious, so she prefers concise
iya.
communication.
Sololia itu siapa guys? Gue lagi baca di dalam hati guys. Okay.
We're gonna see her right now? Can I at least find a place to freshen up first?
Let's not waste time. No one will notice.
I've dispatched a messenger to send word. Madame Cocolia will be aware of your arrival.
But that's a meaningless sacrifice.
Ah.
How can you...
Ini Zolia. Oh, iya.
You may leave,
Oh, itu.
Branya. Visitors have arrived.
Oh,
Yes,
cakep
Mother.
juga ya. Cakep. Oh, berarti bronnya sudah gede. Lah ibunya masih muda.
Madam Guardian, I have brought 3 outsiders to see you.
The messenger informed me. Well done, Gepard. You may leave. Welcome,
Okay.
visitors from beyond the Eternal Freeze. Or perhaps I should say, from beyond the sky, no? I am Cocolia Rand, Belobog's Supreme Guardian. I would be grateful if you could tell me why you have come. Do you wish me to doubt it? Or perhaps you're not confident in that identity yourself? No, I do not doubt it. I can see that you are not from this world. The architects remember the history well, else we should forget it. I know that in the distant past, before the Eternal Freeze descended or the Legion invaded, this world was once prosperous beyond measure. An eon connected our planet to other worlds, and we discovered the endless possibilities of the boundless universe. We also came to know of Klapoth, the Amber Lord. Under their attentive gaze, we built the city walls. So do not be surprised. For 700 years, the architects have received no further communication from the stars. But I knew of your existence. Tell me why you have come.
Gelap banget sih. Deh.
Do you think anyone's gonna know what you're talking about?
We came here for something known as a Stellaron.
A Stellaron.
Objects that fell from the blue on separate worlds. Their appearance spelled disaster. Many of you mentioned invasion by the Antimatter Legion. Soon after their arrival, this planet suffered the Eternal Freeze. At the same time, the phenomenon known as fragmentum...
Correct.
Aduh, mau jawab apa? Aduh, gue gak tahu ini gimana ya.
Stellarons bring about different disasters on different worlds, but every world seeded with a Stellaron will give birth to fragmentums. You can see us as kind-hearted interstellar public servants, lending a helping hand to any world affected by a Stellaron.
Your analysis of our current circumstances is clear. We have indeed suffered the disasters you speak of, some of which prove vexatious to us even today. But why should you care? Even if this Stellaron you speak of did bring about disaster, I fail to see its connection to you. I don't believe that anyone would go to such lengths to help a world unrelated to them, unless they had something to gain.
You're right. Our reason for coming here is not purely selfless. If we don't seal the Stellaron, we cannot leave this planet.
If we can get rid of it, your world will be safer too.
You know how to seal the...
We have the relevant means.
Very well, I believe you. If our present situation is truly the result of this so-called Stellaron, then your arrival is the hope that Belobog has waited 700 years for. I am willing to assist you in any way possible to help you locate the Stellaron. It's getting late, and you must be tired. I will arrange for you to stay in our most comfortable hotel. Rest there and get a good night's sleep. Tomorrow at noon, I will dispatch someone to escort you here, and we can discuss this urgent matter in greater detail. It should be me thanking you, visitors from beyond the sky. I too need some time. I will go over our records for anything that may be connected to Stellarons. Please excuse me for not escorting you further. Of course, I understand. Do not worry. I have a way.
It seems that the Supreme Guardian holds you in high regard. I have received orders that your movements are no longer to be restricted.
She's the big shot. Definitely got that Queen of the Castle vibe going on. Oh, so cool.
I'm afraid I still have duties to attend to. I must return to my post. I hope you enjoy your stay in Belobog.
Wait. Can you recommend some sights? It's not that late. We want to take a look around.
Well, I'd say that Golden Theater and the History Museum are both worth a look. However, you'd need a pass to get into the museum. I recommend you visit Everwinter Monument first. It's Belobog's most symbolic landmark. And if you enjoy music, you could head to Neverwinter Workshop. You can sometimes catch an outdoor performance there. The artist is You'll see. Oh, and if you're staying at Goethe Hotel, please avoid the alley that runs next to it. The one with Silvermane guards stationed there. It started...
So the corrosion is inside the city. Well, that's a grave situation.
Yes, we're mounting a resistance as we speak. I must leave now. I hope all goes well for you.
Wow, look at the carved ice! It feels perfect for this city somehow.
Whatever it's made of, it can't be ice.
I guess you're right. It's actually pretty warm in the city.
So, this
That's the alley that Shepard mentioned. The one contaminated by the Fragmentum, right? I can't believe how close it is to the city center.
They hadn't identified it. I bet all the shops and hotels in the vicinity would have had to close down by...
Move back! This is your final warning.
But my proof of property is inside. I don't have any...
The Fragmentum has already corroded this block.
I can't believe Fragmentum corrosion has spread into the city. No wonder they're...
No. long as the Stellaron is active, the soldiers can only periodically clear the fragmentum of monsters. But the monsters will continue to emerge and multiply.
Please try to understand, sir. Backwater Pass has become very dangerous. We're just here for your safety.
If I can't get my proof of property, it doesn't matter how safe I am. Out of my way! Let me pass!
Come around and have a look.
Neverwinter Workshop. Hey, didn't Japard say there'd be a
He said you can sometimes catch an outdoor performance. Sometimes being the operative word.
Darn. I wanted to see one. Oh, I'd been wondering. You see that heater over there? Why do they keep it outdoors? This city is so weird. Normally you'd want a heater inside a building, right? If so, I'm not sure mighty is the right word for these architects.
Tiny heaters are no use against the Stellaron disaster.
You guys sure have a lot to say about that broken heater.
Oh, wow, she's cool.
Hi there. The name's Serval. I'm the owner of this workshop. If you got any broken equipment lying around, you can always come find me, though I can't guarantee I'll be interested in fixing it.
Oh, we're okay. I was just curious about the heater.
Curious? About the heater? It's just a standard geomarrow radiator. You can find them anywhere in the administrative district. Only just got here? Ah! I figured it out! I heard a loudmouth guard say that a group of outsiders had met with Cocolia. You must be them? What an honor. Where are my manners? We can talk about heaters all day if you like. The heater you saw is just a standard geomarrow radiator. They may not look like much, but they're a real lifeline to the people. The blizzards here are brutal. Isn't it just like cooking food over an open flame?
When she puts it like that, it actually starts to make sense.
it's an ore, a special energy resource. Whether it's keeping the city warm or keeping our geomero grows beneath the surface of the planet, and specialist underworld mining teams are there to extract it. Transport lines shuttle it up to the surface. In the overworld, we use the same lines to ship surface goods and aid down to the underworld. You didn't know? Belobog is structured like two big connected disks. The overworld is responsible for administration and trade. Well, however, due to an order that was given many years ago, nobody has moved between the overworld and the underworld in a long time. I shouldn't be talking about this. Pretend I never said anything. No sweat. This is your first time in Belobog. I just want you to... Hey, seeing as there's nothing on your plate just now, want to help me fix up this machine? Great. Then let me give you a demonstration first.
No match for me.
Nice. You guys are pretty handy. You picked that up in no time. Want to be my assistants? Average? Well, I'd better carry on here.
Oke guys, kayaknya gue mau pergi dulu ya, karena gue lagi capek. Karena ada ceritanya itu udah bawaannya tenan-tenanan banget, astaga. Ya, jadi sekian aja buat videonya dan buat kalian, dan terima kasih kalian sudah like and subscribe. Tapi malahan lu turun lagi, yang kalian udah maksudnya yang buat kalian belum, silahkan like dan subscribe. Terima kasih semuanya.